design inspirations, ideas, concepts to bring this all into reality. Nowadays, technology is making it very simple. For doing it all, picking a right platform and using it into the best way is one of the best choice. So we are gonna use Canva. Either you have been used it before or you are very new and couldn't do the things which you can do it in a very better way. So literally this course can make you a confident. What makes this class unique? We are gonna make a kit of design tools which will be covering from logo designing to email marketing, business banners, brochures, flyers, business cards, and presentations and much more. So for doing this all, I will gonna tell you a step-by-step guide to make you confident and bring everything into reality and the things which you literally can use in your daily life. Either you want to use it for education or a business or as a content creator for online use. Hi everyone, my name is Anas Iqbal. I'm running a business as a assured book for coaching and e-commerce in Dubai. So I am teaching a different technology things which literally can make your daily content creation into the next level. So you can follow me for other tax courses which I have on this platform to knowing it more about my upcoming classes and new technologies like this. So are you ready to bring your design concept into the next level? So see you in the next class.